Please call Janice Cruz for all of your real estate needs. 361-229-0535. Ever picture yourself waking up to water views everywhere? Then this is. With some work, there is so much potential you will not want to pass up this deal. Wood-burning fireplace in your living room, which is slightly open to your updated kitchen, half bath, inside laundry area, then upstairs where you will find your 3 beds 2 baths nicely painted and ready to be lived in. The amazing part of this property is that there is 3-story addition that could be an apartment, mother-in-law's suite, office or more. The square foot is approx 750 square feet, which is bedroom and bath located on THE3RD floor. The second floor is living and kitchen area. Main house is approx 1,680 square with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths plus several decks. 4-car garage. 2-car garage attached to main house. Then a few feet away is your detached 2-car garage facing Causeway Street, includes room A.